Good morning, class 6 students. Students, we are doing chapter number 7, the new question and the ideas. And today we are going to read about Jainism. Students, here the Jainism was started in the 20th century, 24th, the last 24th of the three Karna of the Jainas. Vardhamana Mahavira also spread his message. We are students reading about the time, we're talking about the time or discussing about the time about of 2500 years ago. He was a Shastri princess of a group, Vaji Saga. At the age of 30, he left his home and went into the forest. See, students, we are talking about the Mahavira who left at the age of 30 only, he left his home and went into the forest. For 12 years, he led a very harsh and lonely life, at the end of which he attained enlightenment. And he taught a simple doctrines. That he taught in a simple language that men and women who wish to know the truth must leave their homes. They must follow very strictly the rules of Asima, which means not hurting or killing living beings, all beings. Means he told that he taught people that not to kill and or hurt any living being. It includes animals, human beings. Mahavira longed to live. To all things, life is dear. Students, he also told that for all the things, life is dear. Ordinary people understand the teaching of Mahavira and his followers because they were used the Prakrit. He also used the Prakrit language. Mahavira also used the Prakrit language, and there were several forms of Prakrit used in a different part of the country, named after the region in which they were used. For example, the Prakrit spoken in the Mahagda were known as the Magdali. Followers of Mahavira were known as the Jainas, and the followers who follow the culture, followers of the Mahavira known as Jainas. They had a lead a very simple life, begging for food. They had to be absolutely honest. Students, they were absolutely honest. They do not speak the they are not dishonest. They are very honest. They always speak the truth and were especially not to ask, no, not to steal, and they do not do the stealing. Also, they had to observe cleverly, and men had to give up everything, including their clothes. And students who was a follower of them, they even give up including their clothes also. That means they used to give all the materialistic things. It was very difficult for most men and women to follow these strict rules. Nevertheless, there were thousands of left their homes and learn and teach them. That time, students it become very difficult to follow their strict rules of Mahavira, the followers of Mahavira, and many of them, thousands of them, they left their home also and learned the teaching into new way of life. Many more remains behind and support those who became the monks and nuns, providing them with food. And many men supported them also. Jains was supported mainly by the traders, farmers who had to kill insects to protect the crop. Found it more difficult to follow the rules. Over thousands of years, Jainism spread in different parts of the North India to the Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. Students, this is how Jainism support mainly by the traders. Farmers, students were not supporting because they have for the protection of the crop, they had to kill the insects. And Jainism spread in the different parts of North India, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. The teaching of Mahavira and his followers were transmitted orally to several centuries. They were written down in the form in which they were presented, available in a place called the Valbi in Gujarat about 1500 years ago. So, students, this was the teaching how the Jainism culture spreaded in India. It spread from Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka, and even the North India also. Thank you.